Hi, today we have a 1906 International portable stationary engine running a Sunshine chaff cutter. This engine is called a portable stationary engine because it does not drive itself. It is used, you move it to a job like the chaff cutter, and then it sits there running as a stationary engine. But then because of the wheels on it, you can use a horse to tow it to the next job. And there is a seat up on top of the front of it here for the driver to sit on and drive the horses. The chaff cutter is a Sunshine three-bladed chaff cutter from about the 1930s. So now we will start this engine up and you can hear it running.